We are going to review Kay's Kitchen, and we are going to review 10-piece chicken and mango drink.
So this is Kay's Kitchen, Food Chronicles with GrandSlam ENT, hosted by Ari, the Foodie Queen. All right. So go ahead, pull it out. Yes, we're ready. Go ahead, pull it out. Kay's Kitchen, Chicago style. Go ahead and uncover it. This is the way the chicken is supposed to look. Now, I made the mistake and got it tossed in buffalo sauce, okay? So she's going to review both of them.
Yeah, she's not supposed to get it tossed in buffalo sauce. You gotta have the Chicago mild sauce. Next time come and get it tossed in that buffalo
Tossed in the mild Chicago style
sauce.
sauce.
Try and tell me
Okay.
how you like it.
So, let's see.
It's hot.
Yeah.
So, what's your thoughts on the mango tea? Lemonade.
It's really good. It tastes like lemonade, but with mango flavor.
Wow, that's good to know. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm sorry guys, we outside live in effect on the corner of 34th and Osborne, so forgive the noise. But anyway, so on the scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate the lemonade, mango lemonade?
A 10.
A 10. Why would you give it a 10?
Because the flavoring gives it like, I'm just looking for the flavoring, that's all.
Okay, so you just like it because it tastes great. You still get the lemonade color, but the taste tastes like mango. So you like mango?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Love mango.
Let them know. So let them know what you're about to do.
Now we are going to try the chicken without the buffalo sauce. Chicago style.
And as you can see, it's fresh and hot and hasn't been sitting under light. Okay, she wanted to take a couple more bites. Her little brain working. So, what are your thoughts after the first bite of Kay's Kitchen chicken?
I'll give it a 9.
A 9 on a scale of 1 to 10? Why would you give it a 9?
Because it's kind of like salty, kind of the seasoning. And the chicken's good, but the seasoning is like kind of salty.
So if they just tone down a little bit on the seasoning, it would be a 10?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we are going to try Chicago style sauce. It's not ketchup, it just looks like ketchup. The sauce isn't spicy, but let me try it with the chicken. It's spicy. I'll give it a 9.5.
9.5? That's pretty high. So is it because you're hungry or is it because of some actually good chicken and sauce?
It's actually good chicken and sauce. And the sauce is spicy. I kind of like spicy foods, but together it's
Okay, so
we're gonna say that part.
So, Ari, Foodie Queen, would you recommend Kay's Kitchen to any of your friends or family members?
One of my friends, I would recommend this for them because they're from Chicago and they love Chicago food. Like it's hot Cheetos, it's Chicago style hot Cheetos, but it's like cheesy.
Okay, so you gave it such a high rating. Don't you think all your friends would like it?
Yes.
So it's safe to say that you will recommend Kay's Kitchen to all of your friends and family members, correct?
Yes, I would recommend all of this food, what we just bought just now, to my friends and family.
So are you gonna say daddy something?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right, over and out.
Peace.